The Minister for Finance has launched the Integrated Bank of Projects, a software database that was designed to enhance public sectors and public investment management systems. Rachel Sebude, a senior economist from World Bank, says the system will be supported by the bank. She says the government must continue investing in public investment management systems and to maintain existing and new assets.
This agenda about making sure that your investments realize return is a major and I think the most important agenda about oil and gas. You may have, as I said, you may have the revenues, but if you don't invest them properly, if you don't manage your projects properly so that they can realize the return, then you can't have it. So maybe another agenda would be on the domestic revenue mobilization so that you don't rely just on one source of revenues.
She says the government must continue investing in public investment management systems and to maintain existing and new assets.
Well, I talked about the increased capital investments in the country, and I alluded to the fact that as the country even also gets additional resources, if it eventually gets the oil revenues, that it will have an opportunity to invest into even more capital investments, not only for infrastructure, but also for human capital development. But that example is really to demonstrate that the country needs to do more in terms of making sure that these investments actually realize a return. It is one thing to have the resources to invest. It is another to actually get the investments that you are making to realize the return that you are looking for. In simple terms, the return that a country can be looking for is the service delivery that the minister was talking about, is the actually seeing that the roads are working, the hospitals are working properly, and and the schools are working properly, the structures are there, they're working properly, and so on and so forth.
State for general duties in the Ministry of Finance urged politicians and the public to embrace this system and to walk the talk in service delivery.
The decisions which we have already done, it is going to start from where we are and help us move forward in a better manner than we have been doing. For the projects where we have borrowed and are experiencing challenges, we shall continue working towards addressing the challenge they are facing so that we put them on track.